Aasalamualikum everyone, and welcome back to English with Zafar. Do you feel hesitant when start speaking to anybody around you in English? You feel hesitant and feel sorry for yourself, saying to yourself, "Oh, I can't speak in English." You have the same problem. If you suffer from the same problem as many people are suffering from, then let me just share with you some secrets in this video that will help you to talk better to anybody around you in English. You will not feel hesitant and ashamed anymore speaking in English. You will be confident. You will speak naturally, fluently, automatically, as English is your own language. You will just feel like that. Before I move towards sharing the secret to you, if you are new to the channel, make sure right now to subscribe to the channel. Also click on this bell to notify to the channel, and you will receive any video I upload anytime to this channel, and I promise you will improve your English a lot soon here with me in this channel. Okay, the very first and essential thing you're gonna have to take in order to overcome this problem, which is to speak in simple sentences. What you're gonna have to do is to keep your sentence structure as simple, as easy as possible, right? Do not move towards making complex sentences that you can't understand. You are failed, right, to understand what you are saying. You might be wrong saying it, right? Try to keep your sentence as simple as possible. This is the first and essential and crucial thing you're gonna have to remember in order to speak better to anybody around you in English. To express yourself in English, speak simple sentences rather than complex ones. I myself try my best to speak simple sentences when I'm coming across somebody who speaks in English, right? This is the way I kind of get rid of the situation, to kind of face such situation not to be able to speak in English. This is the first strategy I experienced, right? I just express my thoughts in English in simple sentences. If you want to express yourself effectively in English to anybody, just make simple sentences instead of complex ones. Well, here's the second tip if you want to speak in English better to anybody, which is to use idioms and expressions. Well, you might be wondering, what are the expressions and idioms, right? These are the kinds of the sentences that are mostly used by native English speakers. You're gonna have to get familiar with some of them and try to use them in your daily conversation when you are coming across somebody speaks in English. Use them. This can make your conversation much engaging and interesting, right? You will sound more like a native English speaker if you use these expressions and idioms in your English. This is kind of making your conversation, your speaking style, more beautiful, like an American one or like a British or especially a native English speaker. Try to use these expressions and idioms to sound more natural and fluent. For example, instead of saying "I don't know," you can say "I am in dark about it," right? This means the same as "I don't know," but the second one sounds more interesting, right? If you use "I am in dark about it" instead of "I don't know," of course, you will sound more engaging. The person will kind of be curious about it, right? He will think that he knows better English. He speaks perfectly in English, and you will have to have a better communication skills, right? If you use these expressions and idioms in your English, try to memorize some expressions and idioms. I have a video uploaded on expressions or phrases. I'm just going to put its link in the description box below. You can pick up some phrases and memorize them, use them in your daily conversation. You will sound much more like a native English speaker, right? Give these idioms and expressions a try. I am sure you can sound like a native one. The next step you're gonna have to take is to practice pronunciation. Remember that pronunciation plays an important role in spoken English. If you sound boring, nobody will understand you. It will not be happy to speak to you, right? In order to make somebody interesting in conversation, right, you're gonna have to have a better pronunciation like an American one. How you can build your pronunciation? Well, you can listen to the native English speaker and imitating their pronunciation. What they say, pause the video or the audio, whatever you are listening to, pause it, right? Then imitate what they say, repeat them again and again after them. And this is the way you can practice your pronunciation and master pronunciation like a native one. If you are interested in British accent, watch videos of British accent. If you are interested in American, of course, I recommend for you to watch American movies or listen to whatever that have American accent, right? This is the way you can master any accent. Also, you can use online resources, apps that are available and designed in such a way that can help you improve your pronunciation. I have a video where I have shown 10 important apps which can help you improve your English pronunciation. I'm just going to put its link in the description box below. You can go there, check those apps, select any one of them, of course, improve your English pronunciation with. Great. Improve and master English pronunciation in order to speak better English to anybody around you, right? It's key to have better pronunciation like a native one. Okay, here is my final tip that I can share with you in order to speak better English to anybody. That is body language, right? You're gonna have to be able to use your body language, a key component of speaking in English, which is body language or gesture. If you are using the body language speaking in English to somebody, of course, you will be more effective. You can effectively convey the message in English to anybody talking to you. Be ready to just what? Use body language. It's crucial for communication in English, right? You can use facial expressions and gestures to emphasize on a specific point, right? If you are emphasizing on a specific point, you can use the facial expressions or gesture. Move your body around while speaking in English. Give it a try. For example, nodding your head while speaking in English shows agreement. If you are agreed to somebody's opinion, then you can nod your head, right? This shows agreement. This is actually a body language which makes you effective speaking in English. Or raising your eyebrow, right? Yeah, I hope you do it better than me, right? Raising your eyebrow, this shows that you are surprised. Feeling of surprisement, right? It shows surprising. If something is surprising and makes you surprised, then you may just raise your eyebrow. This is actually a body language which makes you effective speaking in English, communicating in English to anybody. Okay guys, that's it for this video. Try to give these tips a try for better speaking in English to anybody. Give these tips and tricks a try. I am sure you can talk better English to anybody around you. I hope this video is helpful and now you know the secrets that how to speak better English to anybody. If you know this video is helpful, leave me in the comment section that you are agreed with these tips and tricks I showed you in this video. Also give me a thumbs up as it really motivates me for creating more videos for you, and also share this video with anyone of your friends who wants to speak better English, any situation to anybody. This video is the solution and the secrets. I promise this video is the solution because I showed you such powerful tips that if you apply, you can unlock the potential of speaking in English to anybody confidently.